In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram posts directly from Canva. This feature is perfect for anyone managing an Instagram business account and wants to streamline their social media planning. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. To get started, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have a Canva account, take a moment to sign up. It's free and you'll be amazed at what you can create. Once you're logged in, you can open an existing design or create a new one. Designs can be anything from a simple post to a more detailed graphic, whatever fits your brand's aesthetic. When you have your design ready and fine-tuned, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the Share button. This option lets you distribute your creations across various platforms with ease. After clicking Share, you'll notice an option labeled See All. Go ahead and click that to unfold a comprehensive list of applications and platforms to which you can share your hard work. Now scroll through the list and find the Social section. Here you'll see several platforms, but since we're focusing on Instagram, go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll have the chance to schedule your posts, which is particularly suitable for Instagram business accounts. This ensures that your content reaches your audience at the optimal time without the need for last-minute scrambles. Now continue with the scheduling process by clicking Continue. You'll then be prompted to connect your Instagram account if you haven't already. This step is crucial because it allows Canva to post directly to your Instagram profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the account seamlessly. Once everything's connected, focus on when you'd like to share your creation by clicking on Schedule to Publish Later. This leads you to set up a specific date and time for your post to go live. Plan this according to when your audience is most active to maximize engagement. Now select the date and time that best fits your audience engagement strategy. After you've decided, simply click Done to confirm your choices. Before finalizing, take a moment to type in a caption. Your caption should be engaging and in line with your brand voice, so craft it thoughtfully. With your caption in place and the schedule all set up, it's time for the last step. Go ahead and click on the Schedule button. It's as simple as that. Your post is now set to seamlessly go live at just the right moment. Congratulations. You've successfully scheduled an Instagram post through Canva. By leveraging this feature, you can manage your social media presence more effectively, keeping your audience both engaged and informed. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.